So we're going to be looking at column addition with 5-digit numbers but with no regrouping. So let's get straight into the first question. Question number 1, we have 65,104, and you can see that with the counters here. So we've got 6 10,000s, so 60,000, 5,000 here, 100 no tens and a 4, and then underneath we've got 10,000, 10,323. 10,323. So to do this, like with all the other column additions, we're going to start with the units first. So 4 plus 3 gives us 7. And if I combine these, you can see there is the 7. Moving on to the tens, we have 0 plus 2, which is 2. Or 2 tens, which is 20. There's our tens done. Onto the hundreds, we have 1 plus 3, which is 4. So 100 plus 300 gives us 400. And then with the counters, we can merge these together to give us our 400. And now we have 5,000 plus 0, no thousands, still gives us 5,000. Or 5 plus 0 is 5. And now we can take these, there's nothing to add to that, so we can just put it together, gives us our 5,000. And now we come to the 10,000 column, with 6 plus 1 gives us 7, or 60,000 plus 10,000 gives us 70,000. And with the counters, you can see that is our 70,000 and put together. And there we have it. The answer is 75,427. So on to question number 2. We have 21,301 plus 27,654. And you can see the 21,301 there and the 27,654 there. Again, we're going to start with the units column, and we've got 1 plus 4 gives us 5. There's our 5. Merge those together. And then for the tens column, we have 0 plus 5 is 5. So we just have those 5 tens, which makes 50. For the hundreds, we have 3 hundreds plus 6 hundreds gives us 900, or 3 plus 6 is 9. And there's those 3. Put them together there. You can see the 900. And now we move on to the thousands column with 1 plus 7 is 8, or 1,000 plus 7,000 is 8,000. There's our 8,000, and we'll just put it together. And then lastly, we have 20,000 plus 20,000, or 2 plus 2 gives us 4, or 40,000. And we can merge that together. So our overall answer is 48,955. Question number 3, we have 30,418 plus 25,401. And you can see both the numbers here and here. So let's start off with the units again. And we're looking at, just get the right colour pen, 8 add 1 gives us our 9 to start off with. And there's the 9 there, 9 units, 9 ones, merged together. And you can see 9 there. For the tens column, we just have 1 plus 0 is going to give us 1. So that just has the 110 there. And then hundreds column, 4 plus 4 is 8. 400 plus 400 is 800. And we can see that there, 4 and 4 gives us 800s. On to the next place value column. Thousands, we have no thousands in this number, plus 5,000 just leaves us with 5,000. And there's our 5,000 merged together. And with the 10,000s column, we have 3 plus 2 is going to give us 5, or 30,000 plus 20,000 is going to give us 50,000. So there's the 50,000. So overall, we have as our total 55,819. Here's the last question that we're going to go through in detail today before the quiz, and it's 64,025 added to 10,343. We have both our numbers here and here. So let's start off with the units again. We've got 5 plus 3, which gives us 8. You can see that none of these columns goes above 9, so we don't need to worry about carrying for these types of calculations. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and I'll put that in. Now for the next one, we've got 2 tens plus 4 tens is going to give us 6 tens, or 2 plus 4 is 6. There's our 6. For the hundreds, we have 0 plus 3 is just 3. And there's our 300 there. For the thousands column, we have 4,000 plus no thousands is just 4,000 still. And there's our 4,000 counter. And for the 10,000s, we have 6 plus 1 is going to give us 7, or 60,000 plus 10,000 gives us 70,000. And you can see there's the 70,000. We'll just merge it together, and we have our total, which is 74,368. Right, now it's your turn to have a go, work through these 4 questions, and then we'll go through the answers. Right, let's start with number 1. 1 add 0 is, oops, sorry, I get the pen up. 1 add 0 is 1. 2 and 7 is 9. 1 and 5 is 6. 4 and 0 is 4. 7 and 2 is 9 again. For number 2, 1 and 3 is 4. 6 and 2 is 8. 0 and 6 is 6. 6 and 3 is 9. And 3 and 5 is 8. Question 4, 0 and 4 is 4. 1 and 7 gives us 8 in the tens column. 2 and 4 is 6. 3 and 4 is 7. And 3 and 1 is 4 in the 10,000 column. And lastly, for question 4, we've got 8 and 1 is 9. 8 and 1 is 9. 4 and 5 is also 9. 7 and 0 is 7, and 7 and 2 is 9, lots of 9s. And those are the answers. So the challenge is to create your own 5-digit column addition without regrouping or carrying, and you need to make the answer 34,254. Thanks for watching, and we have more column addition videos on the Descent Learning channel with 5-digit regrouping or 4-digit regrouping, missing numbers, as well as cryptorhythms, which are column addition problems with some problem solving sort of thrown in there as well.